being organized helps with anything, any task that you want to accomplish. And for me, I like to keep my seeds starting and germinating going, so I always have fresh seedlings to put in my garden every month, every season, all throughout the year. So it totally helps to be ready. And the way that I stay ready is by making kits. So I like these plastic tubs because if I ever need to go teach somewhere or share, you know, my knowledge with someone or a group, I just grab, this is my seed starting kit, I grab it and I go. So I try not to buy any plastic, but I get these either off the side of the road when people are throwing them out, or I get them from the local thrift store. This one I think was $3. The first thing I have is a tray, because it always helps to keep things a little neater, especially if you're working with seed starting medium or something like that. I keep in these papers. This happens to be a cat litter bag, and I have a paper bag, and I have lots of the sale bills for the weekly ads. So I just, as I get them, I cut them or fold them and tear them into strips. And then I save, if I'm low on salad greens, I buy some salad, and then I save these because they're the perfect trays for putting in my little paper cups for seed germination. And so I'm always making these cups, even if I'm not, you know, gonna be starting seeds, it doesn't matter because I just keep it all going. That way, here's a big box of just extra seed cups that I have. That way, when I'm ready and I'm inspired to plant, I'm like, okay, what am I gonna plant today? And I already have these already in here. And also, I have my seed starting medium, and I also have a bag of vermiculite in here for topping off, and I will get into vermiculite in another video and tell you exactly what that's for. So here's my kit. I encourage you to put something like this together for whatever projects that you like to do on a regular basis, because it really takes the start, you know, the anxiety that you might get about trying to find things, gather things up. It's already mostly done. Now all you have to do is keep rolling.